Hello. Thanks for looking at our Hofler Model H 1000. Has a 1000 millimeter swing with a 650 millimeter table. It's capable of grinding a 1000 millimeter gear. Machine was grinding a class 10 gear on a regular basis. Right now they're being run in just like they are every Friday to ensure that everything is lubricated and well taken care of and in operating order. They're on the floor under power. If you want to see one running, no problem. This is a one shift a day shop. The machines were never abused, always taken care of. The wheel just moves, index. This is a helical and spur tooth grinder. Again, it's a Hofler. There's a Model H 1000. Comes with the extra change gears. Over here. Here. Get a complete set of gears with this machine. Grind anything you want. These are two turnkey machines. Everything is running. Will be packed properly, and you can run them on your end. Here's some more gears in here. It's indexing. It's a fully enclosed machine, and it also comes with a mist collector. You're looking to grind some gears, spur or helical. This is the machine. Great quality machine, ready to go. Thank you for viewing.